What a beautiful day to drive, especially in this 2025 Ford Expedition Platinum MX with agate black exterior, salt gray interior, seating for 7 with 4 doors. It has a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Desirable features include pre-collision brake, dual panel moonroof, dual climate control, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle and would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website islandford.ca. We'll be so happy to have you here. Now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker with the B&O badging in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors, a grab handle in the body. Your driver's seat is powered with power lumbar and a multi-contour seating. All-weather mats on the floor with the Expedition badging, your 4x4 drive modes, electronic parking brake, and your trunk opener. Slide it into the vehicle to start it, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touch screen with AM/FM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and other functions. Your dual climate control system with heated seats, air conditioning, heated steering wheel, etc. And we can take a look at your backup camera as well. It's a 360-degree camera, making sure you see all angles of the vehicle. Now we gotta put it back in parking. Below, your volume, gear shift dial, auto start, parking assist, hazard light, a front view of your camera, and traction control. Your Pro Trailer backup assist, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C charging ports, 2 cup holders, a console with storage below, as well as a 12-volt outlet and USB-C charging ports. And this can be put back so that you have a room for storage below as well. Your glove compartment, sun visor, sunglass holder, and your dual panel moonroof controls, and both the screen and the glass are powered. 24-inch wheels, powered running boards, body colored door handles with intelligent access, keyless entry pad, privacy glass at the back windows, roof rails, a capless easy fuel filler on the driver's side. In the rear, your backup camera will be below the Expedition badging, sensors on the back bumper. To open your lift gate, just press 2 times the button on your key fob. It opens it for you. And you have a step to access your cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs, as well as storage below. A 12-volt outlet and a 120-volt outlet, USB-C charging ports, lightning to enhance your nighttime visibility when you're putting stuff in your cargo bag, tie downs in all 4 corners, and your third row seats controls so you can fold them down or up. I'm gonna do the same with the other one. And here it's folding it down for you. And by the way, you can fold up the step. Here you are. And when you're done, just press the button on the left side. It will close it for you, and you're ready to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker with the B&O badging in the door, power windows for added convenience, a grab handle in the body. The seating is for 5, and you can access the third row from the second one by folding the seats down. To do so, just pull the tab. Here it folded the seat down for you, and you can maximize your in-cabin storage as well by folding the seats on the third row. Your controls will be on the sides of the seats, as well as cup holders, anchors to tether baby seat, and when you're done, just fold your seat up. An armrest for both seats, all-weather mats on the floor with extra carpeting mats, slim pockets behind the front seats, as well as USB-C charging ports, 2 cup holders, your climate control system for heated seats, air conditioning, and other functions, a 120-volt outlet, your dual panel moonroof, air vents, a speaker in the body, hooks and dome lights. Backup camera in the rear, privacy glass at the back windows, roof rails, adjustable side view mirrors with integrated signal, camera and blind spot monitoring, LED headlights, sensors on the front bumper, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at island4.ca. We have plenty to show you and we'd love to hear your comments.